Right, back here with Wes on Chris's Parklane. As you guys know, the motor is back. We have the transmission dropped off to Mr. Justin Peck. And Wes is getting ready to put this baby in the air. He's actually in the process of doing so right now. And then he's going to get the front end apart, because it needs to be rebushed and aligned and everything. So, progress. All right, the Wessie has been on it. Getting this thing apart. Look at these brakes. They are effed up. Holy moly.
They're brighter than my future.
What about the bear? Wait a minute. All right, what about the bearing? At least it sort of had grease on it. Oh, look. Are they actually... Oh, yeah, they started to gall, huh? A little bit.
Yo, yeah, you can see at the top.
Oh, that's cute. Ugh, okay. Well, glad we're replacing all of it. So now Wes is on the disassemble the BJs. And then we can get all this out. And we can get bushings for it. All right.
Oh, yeah.
Carry on, sir.
The Wessie's getting that done over there. Upper arm's off completely. I'm under here getting all the steering ram and all that apart so I can take that to Advantage West when I head that way, which will be tomorrow. God, tomorrow's busy. I better get up extra early. It's like 3 o'clock. I'm laying here in the car and ready to go to sleep, so we'll see how that one works. Anyway, all the steering stuff's coming apart. We have a vendor for all the tie rods and ball joints and all that, so we're going to be good. So we're going to get this disassembled.
How's it going, Mr. Wessie?
Fucking annoying, I tell you what.
Oh, you got all the brake shit off at least. Now you just got to fight the damn spindle off this son bitch. Oh, I got shit out back of your head, eh?
Oh, shitty.
Alright, Wessie's got that going. I'm trying to get all the hydraulic nonsense off in here. So that's done. Oh, excuse me. I want to take that to Advantage West tomorrow. Right, all of our suspensions apart. Everything but that lower. All the steering over here on the passenger side's off. The brakes are all disconnected. This side's ready to start cleaning. Driver's side's got to come apart. I got all the steering components, as you saw, off to go to Advantage West. And we will be cleaning and painting here in the future.